Okay, bit of an update on this. I'm going to do a compression test. Just waiting for the battery to charge up a little bit. Now, before I did the valve stem seals, all my glow plugs used to have oil on them. Now none of them do, except for cylinder 6, which is that one near the bulkhead. That was the only one that had oil on it. And the valve stem seals have been replaced, so I'm not entirely sure what's going off, unless the stem seal on that side was a faulty one. So not sure on that, but let's see what the compression test comes up with, and I'll post the results. Okay, I've pulled the injector for cylinder 6, and as you can see, well, you might not be able to see, but the tip is wet. I'll get it to focus. See if I can place it on here and show you. The tip is wet through. So, wet glow plug from cylinder 6 and wet injector tip. That tells me I think this is leaking, and that's what's causing it. But as I've got, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this injector in a different place and see if it leaks on another glow plug. In 2 minutes I might just get it tested. Okay, keep you updated, cheers. Now I've pulled another injector, which is, the difference is that this one's completely dry. So I think my theory of it leaking overnight is the cause, because that's too much of a coincidence that the injector tip on that one is wet and the glow plug that goes into that same cylinder is also wet. So I think that one is dodgy. So I'm going to put this in cylinder 6, I'm going to put that in cylinder 3, and then we'll see if we get the same problem. I'm pretty sure we will. So we're getting closer to the end of this saga. Okay, I've redone the compression test, and although this gauge I've got only goes to 300, all the numbers were 400, so it had gone to halfway here. So I'd say that's about 400 if it was marked. So they're all equal. They're all the same, and I didn't crank it. I cranked it till the needle actually stopped, but I didn't want to go further because it flattened the battery a bit. I think 400 psi. I think that's about right. I believe. I think the needle would have gone a little bit further if I carried on cranking, but I thought that was adequate. So pointing to there, 300, 325, 350. Yeah, so about 400, I'd say. And nothing wrong with the compression. I do believe it's that injector that I've mentioned previously. Now I've moved it to cylinder 3. I'll give it a run, see how it is, and then I'll have to recheck it again and see if the glow plug on cylinder 3 is now wet. I'm going to guess it will be, because when I took that injector out, there was a little bit of diesel in the bottom of the injector hole still, so I'm probably going to say it's been leaking. Anyway, keep posted.